Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Accord EXL. It's a certified Honda. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's champagne frost metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors, the lock unlock button on the chrome door handles. It is equipped with a sunroof. Alright, driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way here across the back. It does have rear backup camera, and on the, let's see, on the trunk, just a little scratch here, one here, one here. Looks like it's been painted over. Really minor scratches though, you can hardly see them. Just wanted to point that out to you. But we'll make our way down the passenger side here. Alright, it's got your lock unlock button on this door handle as well. Got your blind spot monitoring camera there. I'll show you that when we get inside. And one other thing I wanted to show you. Just a few paint chips, maybe some rock chips jumped up and got the paint right here. But just a few peppered in along the front right there. Okay, really minor stuff. Just want to point that out to you. Okay, but you can hardly notice it. Go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the two-tone door panels, got the beige leather, the black inserts, wood grain inserts, got memory seating. Okay, power locks, power windows, beige leather, power driver seat, the perforated inserts there. Driver seat's in good shape. It does have the sunroof, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, let me go ahead and lay these key fobs out for you. Does have the keyless entry key fob. Alright, passenger seats in great shape. No problems at all. It is an automatic. It is equipped with heated seats. It's got your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary plug-ins there. Push button start, dual climate controls. It's going to have your CD player, AM, FM stereo, and your display screens there. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel. Steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. There's your blind spot monitor button there. Let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 41,376 miles on it. Now that the Accord started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screen up there. It's going to have your AM, FM radio with your backup camera. Let's see if I can dim that down for you just a little bit. No, it's dimming all the way down. But there's your backup camera there. Okay, and pan out a little bit. You're going to have the same AM, FM readout there on the display. Okay, got your dual climate controls. Your push button start. Let's go ahead and take a look at, one other thing I want to show you. The blind spot monitoring button. Okay, when you hit the turn signal to make a turn, alright, it's going to bring that camera up, and what that is your blind spot back there. Okay, so when you're making a lane change, it's going to show you a visual display of your blind spot. One of the really cool safety features that Honda offers, one of my favorites. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Go ahead and take a look at the back seat leather. It's in phenomenal shape as well. No problems at all. Only 41,000 miles on it. It's been well taken care of on the inside. Alright, got a few rock chips on the outside, but other than that, the outside's exterior of the vehicle's in great shape, as well as the interior. Okay, let's take a look at your trunk space. Alright, it's got the hard plastic protector in there. That's a nice feature to have. Alright, plenty of room back there, nice and clean. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much storage you got back there. It's a bunch of it. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of Goodyear tires. Okay, and just to recap, it's a certified 2015 Honda Accord EXL, 41,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, so it's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.